Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything I know about THC. You might have heard that THC is the primary psychoactive found on cannabis, but what does it do? And how does it work? Well, if you just started smoking marijuana, or you've been smoking it for a while now, or if you're only just interested in it, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this remarkable and fascinating chemical. Tetrahydrocannabinol. Such a long word and such a small molecule. This is a molecule that causes the psychoactive high. This chemical is often inhaled by smoking or by vaporizing the cannabis, but you can also put it in foods and drinks, and you can even put it in lotions. This beautiful chemical belongs to a group of chemicals compound called cannabinoids, and the plant produces over 113 of them. These chemicals are critical to the plant's survival because they help the plant to fight off parasites, bacteria, viruses, and stuff like that. Some people even think they may be protected from radiation from the sun. In humans, THC has such noticeable changes in cognition that cannabis plants that produce THC are more tightly regulated than all the ones that don't, which by the way is what separates cannabis from hemp. If the plant has more than 0.3 THC, then it's considered marijuana, but if it has less than 0.3 THC, then it's just classified as hemp. Out of 113 cannabinoids found in marijuana, only one of them produces a powerful psychoactive effect, and that one is, you guessed it, a THC. But have you wondered why? Simple, it goes down to shape. THC happens to have the right molecular structure to fit into our cannabinoid receptors. THC works by taking over the cannabinoid receptor, and then from there, THC alters the chemical activity of the cell and produces lots of psychological changes, including the famous psychoactive high. All of these specific receptors are part of a more extensive system called the endocannabinoid system. To all contrary belief, THC was discovered in 1940 by Roger Adams. Still, it wasn't until 1988 that Dr. Alan Hallward from the University of Wake Forest uncovered the binding sites for the THC in the human brain. What she discovered was nothing short than groundbreaking. It turns out that THC attaches itself to particular cell sites in the hippocampus, which is responsible for memory, the frontal cortex where we do our thinking, and the cerebellum, which is responsible for our movement. These cell sites are called cannabinoid receptors, and each acts as a part of an endocannabinoid system, or ECS. The ECS is a cell receptor network that sends out and receives signals to make easier for more complicated chemical reactions. Specific cannabinoid receptors are more highly concentrated in central nervous systems, leading to the psychoactive effects of the THC. Cannabinoid receptors, however, can be found all through our bodies. These are plenty of our digestive tract, our skin, and even our reproductive organs. THC binds to cannabinoid receptors and ignites a series of chemical reactions alternating your behavior and cognitive abilities. These changes aren't necessarily bad, unless you find them uncomfortable, but most of the time THC will just make you feel different than you usually do. But once you get used to it, you'll find that you can do all of your normal daily activities just fine. Well guys, this is all I know about THC. I hope I answered some of your questions. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos coming up.